Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you how to generate tax statement from the Binance, because we have beginning of the year and it's time to send this information to your tax governments, and these tools show you how to generate it. So we have two places what we need to go. First place is tax site from Binance. So go to binance.com/en/tax and you will see this page. So welcome to Binance Tax. Your transactions are being automatically imported from your Binance account. This might take some time if you are using these tools for the first time. Push button next. Review transaction. So after importing the transaction, you can review everything to make sure the information is complete and accurate. Need to add or edit transaction? No problem. With our user-friendly powerful interface, you are always in control. So generate tax report. After completing your review, simply go to the tax reports page and generate your tax report. So push OK. Like you see, I have generated my list before, so everything is on my list now, and I not need to waiting. If you're doing this first time, you need a bit wait, and this will appear here. If you have all data here, you can go to tax reports section here. Like you see, it's range from the previous year. If you want to choose 2022, you can simply change for here. So taxes are being recalculated, so I need to wait a bit moment, but I'm only need from past year. So push on this. If this finish, we can download. So we have 3 files what we can download. So released capital gains report. So push button generate, income gains reports generate, and transaction report generate. 3 files what we need download and send to your accountant. We have another place what we need to go, and it is our accounts and to section orders, to section fiat orders, and if your accountant is required this, you should generate it section buy and sell. How to do this? Very simple. Push button with arrow, with export, select date range, or select from here from past year, choose status completed, select method all, and push button export Excel or PDF, depends what your accountant require. In my case will be Excel, so I push on this and I download, and the same do with sell. So go to section sell, push this button with arrow, past year, status complete, and select method all, and push button Excel. That's all. This file what we download from step 1 the tax statement, and this step 2 with generated all history from fiat orders, you will send for your accountant, and that's all. If you have any question, put this question below of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.